The universe. A vast expanse of nothingness, clouded by galaxies and clouds of gas. But how is the universe created? How did all of this get here? This is the origins of the universe. One theory of how the universe was created is the Big Bang Theory. This is a theory that most scientists agree with today. Here's how it could have happened. The Big Bang Theory refers to the idea that the universe has expanded from a primordial hot and dense initial condition and continues to expand to this day. A Belgian Catholic priest proposed in 1927 what became known as the Big Bang Theory of the origin of the universe, although he liked to call it his hypothesis of the primeval atom. Some scientists believe that before the Big Bang there was no time, meaning we cannot measure time before the Big Bang. The Big Bang is estimated to have happened 13 billion years ago. The Big Bang Theory was discovered with the use of radio telescopes which allow us to observe things with great distances that our eyes can't. It is also believed that the universe will end with a big crunch. If this were to happen, this might mean that the universe closes in on itself and contracts into a hot, dense state. This could lead to another Big Bang, and might be that we are continuously in a flux of exploding then imploding. The other theory is that the universe may end with a big rip. This would mean that the dark energy would increase without limit over time. The universe would also expand without any limit to the speed. Gravitationally bound systems such as solar systems and galaxies would be torn apart. Eventually it would become so fast that the electromagnetic forces holding molecules and atoms together would rip. The steady-state theory model was developed in 1948 by three astronomers, Fred Hoyle, Tom Gold, and Hermann Bondi. This theory states that although the universe is always expanding, new matter is constantly created. This model was popular in the 1950s and 1960s. However, after the discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMB radiation, only a few number of people support this theory. The steady-state theory seemed very logical at the time, because the big questions such as what happened before the Big Bang didn't have to be answered. The universe simply had no beginning or end. The reason why CMB radiation challenged the steady-state theory is because it tells us that those galaxies were closer together in the past than they are now. This is because it took those cosmic event radio waves 8 billion years to reach us here at Earth. This knowledge actually supports the Big Bang Theory and is one reason why most scientists believe in the Big Bang Theory. The following diagrams represent why the steady-state theory states that the universe creates matter. This diagram shows that an expanding universe increases in volume with time, but decreases in density. The second diagram shows that new matter is formed, which pushes galaxies further apart while keeping the density of the universe constant. This is the diagram that shows what the steady-state theory claims happens. Those are the two main theories of how the universe was created, but there are other theories, whether they involve religious beliefs, or other theories that are being created at this very moment. The question of how the universe was created is a question we may never fully understand or find the answer to. However, we are trying to find out the best we can. The other question is, how will all of this end? That is a question that is also being answered by scientists right now. However, that also will never be fully found out. As I said before, the big crunch is caused by the universe slowing down and no longer expanding. It starts to contract and then eventually happens like that. Mind you, this is sped up extremely fast. This would usually take billions and billions of years. In the second video, the universe is sped up to such an unbelievably high speed that gravity can no longer hold the solar system or any of the other galaxies, and they are ripped apart. Eventually, everything starts to disappear as it becomes so fast that the electromagnetic forces that hold the atoms together can no longer exist. That's all I have for today. The mysteries of the universe are unsolved, and we may never find out what the universe holds. The end.